My dear friends, when I'm coming here and standing here in front of all of you, I really feel so excited and vibrant as each and every one of you. And I feel, a lot of beautiful flowers. Yes? And your smiles are really making my heart go tararam-pam. So well, I'm not going to give you much jam today. Okay? So I'll be sharing with you something that you'd really like to hear. So would you like to hear a story? Yes! Wow. Okay, so before I start the story, I just pay my respects to all my gurus. And you know who's my guru? My guru, or rather I would say gurus, are children like you. ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? But yes, there was one Sujit, and one Seema, and one Karishma, and one Romit. Where is Romit? Okay, we have a Mohit, yes. So children like you were the ones who helped me to grow, right? So just now he said Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. So Guru is the one who motivates, inspires and helps you to grow. So children like you, I had maybe around 7,000 children. And they all made me grow. And here I am today like a life designer. So to me, they are Guru. G-U means darkness. And R-U, Ru, means to dispel the darkness. So Guru is somebody who dispels darkness. Yes. So there was once a Guru and a Shishya or a student. And both of them had a very lovely relationship. Like you must be having your favorite teachers, right? Yeah. So in the same manner, both of them loved each other a lot. But there was one challenge. Hello? Yes, there was a challenge. And the challenge was that this little boy, somebody like you, was very lazy. He never wanted to do anything. But he was also very intelligent. You know that? He had a lot of intelligence, but he was lazy. And he would say, "Arey, today homework is given na, I'll do after going home and watching TV." And that TV would be till night. And he would not complete his work. Right? As a result of which, I know why you're smiling. Yes? No. This is not about any of you because you all are all not lazy. Right? You all are all smart. And if at all you become lazy, then you think about this story and you turn back and become smart and active. Right? So, what's your name? Vansh. Okay, so this Vansh and his teacher had a very good relationship. But somewhere he thought of doing things and he would decide to do the things in time. He would take a decision but he would not follow that decision. So after some days, the Guru thought that there is something that I should be teaching him. So the Guru told him, like in olden times there was this Guru and the sages were staying together. The disciples were staying together. So both of them, they were staying together in the same hut. And after some days, the Guru said, I am going to give you something and I have to go out of town for 2 days. So here, this is a piece of dark metal. A dark metal piece was given to this boy, Vansh. I'm just taking you as an example, okay? So What did Vansh do? Vansh took the black piece of metal and he said, what should I do with this? So the Guru said, you take this and if you touch any iron metal with this stone or with this piece, let's say it's a stone, with this black stone, it is going to turn into gold. Yeah, it is going to turn into gold. So I am giving you 2 days with this stone and you create as much money as you want, as much wealth as you want. But by the time it is evening, it is dusk, the second day, I will be coming back. Turn this piece of stone to me, this dark stone to me. So he says, okay, fine. So the next day, it starts, right? And he takes that piece of stone, he sits and he is dreaming. He's sitting and dreaming. With this stone, I'll go to the bazaar and I will buy some long pieces of iron. Maybe 10, maybe 50, maybe 20. And I will go and I will touch them and they will turn into gold. And so many iron pieces I will have and I will be so rich. I will sell it and then I'll get money. With the money I will buy a house or a car. And I will buy a lot of place for myself, property. And then I will grow up and then I'll get married. And then I'll have children and wow, life will be so beautiful. You know, by the time he finished the dream, what happened? No, it was afternoon. So he said, Arey, now I am feeling hungry. Are you feeling hungry now? Everybody is feeling hungry. Okay, so he was feeling hungry. And then he said, okay, I'll have some food and then I'll go to the bazaar and buy those iron rods. So he has food very fast and he finished, he said, you know what, such a lovely food mommy had made, no, now I would feel like sleeping. So he goes to sleep and then he gets up, it's already 7 o'clock and 7 o'clock after that the bazaar is closed, right? Mumbai bazaars are open till 9-10 but he was staying in a gaon, right? In a village. Huh? There are bazaars. There are. Better than Mumbai. Okay. So then it's already 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And he says, oh my God, now what to do? I wasted one whole day. Tomorrow I am going to get up and I am definitely going to bring the iron bars and I am going to turn it into gold. Next day, he gets up a little late. And he says, oh my God, I have to go to the bazaar. What to do? So he goes to the bazaar. When he's going on the way to the bazaar, he sees a field and sees some dogs playing there. So it's so nice to play with the dogs, no? Puppies. So he starts playing with them and he falls into the mud, into the muck. And what happens? He becomes dirty. He said, oh my God, I can't go like this to the bazaar, right? Then he goes back to home. And then he changes his dress and then he's running. By the time, what is the time? 7 o'clock. And he goes, the sun is about to set. And he runs. And then he sees his guru come back. And his guru says, come on, give me the stone. What does he do? Yes. His guru takes it and says, please, guru, please give me one more day. Just one more day and I'll finish it. So the teacher gives you an assignment and you say, please, teacher, give me one more day. She gives you a project and says, please, give me one more day. Is it not? And then the guru says, no, nothing doing. I gave you 2 days, only 2 days. Project is only for 2 days. After that, your parents will be called. Isn't it? So the guru takes the stone from him and says, I'm sorry you did not utilize the talents given to you. So what is this stone? This magical stone is the education that is being given to you. It is your books, it is your pen, it is the education that is being given to you. And if you do not use it, what's going to happen? You're not going to be rich. And you're not going to be rich in your mind. Is it not? So, are you going to delay your things? No. Then success will say tata, bye bye. Do you want success to be your friend? Yes. Then do you have to do your work on time? Yes. Do you have to enjoy working? Yes. Do you have to be friendly to all? Yes. Can you complain? No. So you have to be your best. So say, I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. And I am also well disciplined and mannered. Yes? Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I did. And have a wonderful time, and thank you for being my guru. Thank you. Thank you once. Thank you. What's your name? Surya. Surya. So thank you to Surya. Thank you to Vansh. A huge round of applause to all of you. Thank you.